What's going on, guys? It's Sam, and today I'm going to show you how to import footage in Premiere Pro. In this video, you'll learn how to import folders of footage into Premiere Pro, how to fix and replace offline media, and how to use markers within the source monitor.
That's good.
Alright, we are going to make importing as breezy as this beautiful beach day. God, I'm so freaking cheesy. So we're going to import footage from Jensway Health. Jensway is a holistic health coach and personal trainer. I interviewed her, asking her to talk everything about Jensway Health. And so we're going to create a well-produced video using her footage. And we're going to use her logos and her music. So she gave me permission to provide you guys the opportunity to edit this video with me. So inside the course, you'll notice that there's a download link below, and you'll see that you can download ParEdits Z2H-APP-JCH interview project. So go ahead and download that. It's a pretty large file, and you'll have to unzip it, and then you'll have a whole folder, and I'll show you exactly what it's gonna look like inside. Okay, so I've got my window open, and this is the folder, the ParEdits Z2H-APP-JCH interview demo project, okay? So we're gonna double click inside of that, and before that, this is the zip file. I'm on a Windows, so it looks like this. If you're on a Mac, it'll be a little zip icon. So you double click inside after you've extracted it, and then you'll see there's A-roll, audio, B-roll, GFX, music. If we look inside, A-roll is the actual interview. It's about 2 minutes and 31 seconds. Go back out, we got external audio too. This is an external audio file that I used. I recorded with a lapel mic. I hid it underneath her shoulder strap. And then we've got B-roll, which is a bunch of clips of her footage that she's recorded in the past. And then we've got graphics, GFX, this includes the logo. So here's her logo. We got different options in here that we'll choose from. And then we got music. So there's a free, copyright-free music that she uses for her brand. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drag the parent folder, and I'm just gonna plop it right inside of Adobe Premiere. So when I do that, there's an import files loading bar, and then it's in. It creates its own little bin folder too. Okay, so now that we've imported our footage, and we have it in here, it's in an unorganized file. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna drag everything out. So we're gonna take this B-roll, and we're gonna put it inside of footage. We're gonna take this is the A-roll, plop that in there, put this inside the music, and put this inside of footage. And then within footage, we're gonna put audio, okay? So we got the external audio chilling right in there. And then if it didn't create the A-roll folder like it didn't for me, then we'll just do A-roll, okay? I'm just gonna drag that in there, bam. So now we got everything organized, chilling inside of their folders. We just put the logo inside the GFX, and then we can delete this main one, okay? So now we've got everything. So sometimes you might run into issues when you close and open this project where files might go offline. So I just wanna make sure you guys know exactly how to troubleshoot that before we start moving forward. So we go inside of B-roll. Right here, this is a clip, the Jensway intro. So I'm gonna right click it, and I'm just gonna make it offline, okay? So sometimes files are offline and they have this little question mark. So if you double click it, it's like edit offline file, like, you know, can't really do anything. Normally if you double click, it would pop up in the source monitor, which I'll show you guys later, but right now it's offline. So I'm just gonna right click it, and I'm going to go to link media or replace footage, depending on what you guys have available. So I'm just gonna do link media, and it's gonna pop up this window, then I can just locate it. Okay, so now I'm searching for it, and it's this search window. Hope you guys can see this well. So it's a search window, and you basically look inside of your computer until you find it. So right here, if I back up and I go to like my demos, because it's in here, I'm gonna hit the search button. It's gonna look all around, it's gonna look for the exact same file name. So you can see the last path is up top here, and then the path is right here. So I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, so see last path, oops, last path and path. So then I'm just gonna double click the video file, hit okay, and it is back online. So we have our footage imported. Now let's start messing with it. So I want to pop it into the source monitor. So I know your guys' layout might still look a little different. If you haven't changed it already, I'll show you guys how to change it after I show you how to use the source monitor. So let me just move my camera placement because it's covering it. I'll just turn it off. Okay, so we have the source monitor right here. It's this square. So I'm gonna double click this footage. It's gonna pop up, okay? It starts black, that's because it fades from black. Okay, so this is the intro. we'll be able to use some of that footage as B-roll during the interview. So what I want to show you guys is if there's a clip that you really like inside of your footage, inside of any of your clips within the source monitor, you can kind of just like scrub through. Okay, so if you like this clip a lot, then you can just press the M key. Okay, so when I press M, then this pops up, and then if I press M again, then this window pops up, and you can mark it. You could say, good clip. Okay, I'm gonna hit OK, and now it's named good clip. So when I show you guys how to start editing, then you can drag this into your timeline, then you'll see that marker show up within the timeline as well. I hope that covers on how to import footage inside of Premiere Pro, and if you have any questions, of course, leave a comment down below, but for right now, we're going to move on to the next video. See you there. Hey guys, so this tutorial is from a full course on Adobe Premiere Pro. Go to ParEdits.com/Premiere Pro or click the link in the description down below.